on a 2009 Golf TDI, not a GTI. You can prise off the rear brake light. There's 4 clips. You need to use a prying tool or trim tool to jam it up there. The clips are 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you're better than me, you won't break the rubber seal that goes around it, but you can super glue that later when you reassemble it. The unit will just pull out, unplug the wires, and then the LED strip is clipped onto the back of it. Using a multimeter, you can test each bank. There's 4 banks of 5 LEDs. If you test across those, you'll see them illuminate slightly. Also, tracing the circuit, I found what looked like this diode here, nothing getting through it. So that was the main suspect. As you can see, nothing, registering nothing, no voltage getting through. And there it is on the board. So I'll desolder this. Would have been useful if I'd got a vise or something to hold the board in. Would have made life a little easier. Anyway, managed to do that. I just used the soldering iron to then bend the wires up a little straighter so I could then pull the diode away as well. So using the soldering iron as well, I just put a small screwdriver under the diode to pull it away from the board. And yeah, although it could have been easier, that worked for me. Here we can see the old diode, and here we can see the new diodes. I had to buy 4, cost me $1.30. Even tells you which way around the diode should go on the board. So solder it on. It's probably better soldered than me, but this did the job. And then trim off the extra wires. Once you've done that, you can then use a multimeter again to check that there is current flowing through it, which there is. So this is looking good. I then use a 9-volt battery to test the whole unit, so I don't have to put it on the car just to test it. And then putting it on where the wires go in from the car, you can see that it works. There it is, boom! The LED strip then clips on the back of the lens, and you push the lens back into the car, relocating that wire seal, and job done.